Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A man is expected to appear in the Bellvile Magistrate's Court in Cape Town today in connection with the death of a 28-year-old woman and her 7-year-old daughter. Altecia Kotjie was stabbed multiple times in her house in Bellvile about 2 weeks ago, and her daughter drowned in a bathtub. It's alleged Kotjie had been the victim of abuse for years. The public protector is reportedly investigating whether police provided the necessary assistance when Kotjie sought a restraining order against her accused. And in relation to the story from the Magistrate's Court, just outside the Magistrate Court, we're going to talk to a community member who would rather remain anonymous for this conversation as part of the Cape Town total shutdown in relation to this court case. Let's welcome her now. Let's call her Joyce. Joyce, a very good morning and thanks for talking to us this morning. What is your involvement in the total shutdown?
Good morning. I am one of the members of the total shutdown movement. I've been actively involved since we started in 2018.
Why do you want to remain anonymous? And this is not an individual question. It's a question about all the other community members who are involved in this protest but would rather not be known.
Yes, it is because of the alleged, or not the alleged, the perpetrator in this case, the accused in this case, is the nephew of a well-known gang boss leader.
And why is that problematic for you?
Because of the stronghold that they have over the community of Bellvile. And it could be that our lives can be in danger.
So what are you calling for? We see we have here hashtag no bail to killers, hashtag harsher sentences, hashtag enough is enough, and hashtag total shutdown. What are you calling for?
We are calling currently for no bail. We oppose bail for him. And then we are also calling, we're calling out SABC for failing to protect our women and our children. We cannot give SABC the praises anymore. It is alleged, of course, and the public protector are investigating this allegation. But to me, they totally failed. Altecia Kotjie and her daughter in this instance with her. And a family going 3 times to the police station to ask for help.
What would you say if somebody said you are obstructing the law?
Obstructing the law? How can I obstruct the law when the law has not been upheld?
Yeah. Well, in terms of not allowing the processes to take place, what do you think will happen if he's given bail?
I think that basically other people's lives will be in danger.
Yeah. Can you give the viewer a sense of what your involvement is in this case? Are you just an innocent bystander who's a community member who wants to see justice prevail, or are you closer to the story?
I'm actually a community activist, a gender-based violence activist, and I just want to see justice prevail in this case, and so many other cases as well.
What do you know about this case?
What I know about the case is that when I met with the parents and with some of her friends on the day that on the Saturday after the bodies was found, when I spoke to them, and they given me a background. It is horrific. Firstly, the manner in which they died. Firstly, and secondly, it's also, I cannot comprehend the fact that this family was failed, and I saw the hurt, and I heard the hurt in their voices when speaking about it.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us this morning. We will, I suppose, wait to see the outcome of the court process this morning to see if your call has been heeded.
Thank you for listening.
Yes, and at this time we say goodbye to our SABC 2 viewers. The show continues on the other side of this break.